So y'all might notice something a little different up in here, maybe. Anyway, let me get to these little stories. I have to throw my 7-Up in here. So last night when I got home from hanging out for my friend's birthday dinner, one of the things that I do, one of my little hustles is taking out the trash in my building. I had about 2 or 3 bags of trash. And it was probably, I don't know if it was maybe like 9 or 10 when I got home. And let me tell you, I opened up the first lid, and when a rat flew out, my heart dropped to my ankles. I was like, no, this bitch didn't. I closed it. Then I had to put the other bag in because some were kind of heavy. I put the other bag in, and another rat came out. It flew in the opposite direction. Didn't run toward me. It ran in the opposite direction. But man, if I could have turned white, I would have. Now, today ordering this food, there was a guy in front of me, and the guy working behind the counter couldn't hear him place his order because it was kind of loud in there. So after about like 5 minutes it took for him to place his order, the guy tells him his total. It was $12.40. And he turned around and looked at me, and you know what the customer said? I have no money. Baby, I wanted to look at him and tell him, bitch, do you see your or guardian written anywhere on my person? I think he was kind of challenged. That's why I kind of said it like that, but he was ordering like a big dog. When the guy told him to speak louder, he spoke like he knew what he wanted.